We're here in the show, Globus Gates, aka Aluma Fence, aka ALUMAGLOBUS Aluminium Wall Cladding, aka ALUGLOBUS Fence, the composite fence. All right, let me show you a little bit. So we got our planters over here that you can create with your leftovers from your fence. Wow, what a brilliant solution. It's waterproof, it's the best deal, and it matches your fence, and it comes out of your fence. So it's using the same existing post. So imagine you have a backyard fence and now you want to line up just 3 panels of it and put a planter right where your middle sections of your invite area is. Bam, you can do it easy. Bam, 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 just like that. 100 feet a day. All right, then we got Aluma Fence, the greatest of the greatest. Full aluminum, 100% aluminum, complete rust free, very durable, 20 years warranty. Check this baby out, full powder coated, aluminum slats. What a no-brainer. Pulling closers, pull equipment, next to moist, next to water, slats in between columns. Wow, what a product, very easy to install and really good pricing. Then we got our ALUMAGLOBUS wall cladding. What a beauty. This thing, sorry, there's a client calling me. Hello.
Soon after.
Right, so over here you got that beautiful wall cladding. Benefits, rust free is all of our product, durable, super easy to install, very light duty. You can put a wall of a 10 by 10 within 4 hours and we can prove it if you need. This can transform any wall you have, cracked stucco, unfinished wall. You can just clad it. If you want to just do a different variation for the house, clad the wall, barbecue place, clad the barbecue place. All right guys, so this is it. This is all our features. Aluma Fence, ALUMAGLOBUS, ALUGLOBUS Fence. Beautiful designs, rust-free options, best pricing in California. We have all in stock. Contact us for retail, for installs, or for wholesale pricing. And new, we have contractor pricing, and we're looking for more vendors to take over more states. Call us at globusgates.com.